Hi guys, welcome to yet another unboxing video. In this one I'll be taking a look at some boarding action Void War bases. And a quick look on the front here, we can see an example of some of the bases. A cool picture of an ultramarine, and on the back side we have the contents of this box. We got 20 25mm bases, 20 28mm bases and 20 32mm bases. And some extra stuff for you to decorate your bases. But without further ado, let's get into the box. And here we go. What's in store for us? Sprues. I'm not surprised. There are 4 sprues in total, and I'll show them to you one by one. Here is the first one. There are plenty of details on these, if you ask me. You could, if you want, spend a lot of time painting these up. And the other side, well, there isn't much to show here, but here you go. And the second sprue. More bases and stuff for you to add to those bases. I don't want to show you the backside this time, but here is the third sprue. Like so. And the final sprue. And that's what you get in this box. Now, why did I purchase so many bases, you might ask? Well, it's because I have planned a few, or actually plenty of videos for you. I have bought this Intercessor Squad, Space Marines Intercessor Squad, and I want to paint each single individual Space Marine in his own chapter. So stay tuned for that, because there will be recipes uploaded to my video for each of those. And the same goes for my Chaos Space Marines Legionaries. I will be painting 5 different chapters, famous chapters for you guys. And with that said, I hope you subscribe to my channel for those videos. Leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy painting!